Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by turning on Wi-Fi and opening Wi-Fi Direct on both devices. This creates a peer-to-peer radio link without an access point. Once done, make each device visible and confirm their displayed names so you can identify the correct peer. Now, on the sender, pick the file in your file manager or gallery and tap Share, then choose Wi-Fi Direct. That action begins the discovery handshake and sends a connect request to the other device. You'll see the sender listed in the receiver's discovered peers. Tap to accept the connection request and check any PIN or confirmation code. This prevents accidental pairing. After confirmation, the devices negotiate roles and encryption automatically, creating a secure link. Make sure to choose the destination folder on the receiver if prompted, because some file managers default to downloads. Once authorized, the transfer starts and you'll see progress indicators. Let the devices stay awake until the transfer completes. When the transfer finishes, verify integrity by opening the file or checking size and checksum if available. This confirms a successful copy. If transfer stalls or fails, stop and toggle Wi-Fi Direct or restart Wi-Fi on both devices, then reinitiate pairing. Many errors come from cached sessions or radio interference. As a final tip, reduce distance, disable nearby hotspots, or send smaller batches of files. These steps resolve most issues quickly, so you can repeat the process without extra delays.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.